Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Traveling with Sam, and today going to take a day trip from Chiang Mai, Thailand and explore some nature and visit National Park and see some beauty here just outside Chiang Mai, Thailand. So if you're ready, let's go on another exciting adventure. Okay, so we have arrived at the National Park here, just a bit outside of Chiang Mai, Thailand. The drive from like downtown area, the center of Chiang Mai to here took about an hour and 40 minutes. Okay, so now we're in the national park and going to check out this waterfall called Wachiratan Waterfall. So let's go. So it's about 15-20 minute drive from the main entrance of the park to here, and you can enjoy this exquisite waterfall. So here is another view from it to the left side of the waterfall. Maybe you can see the rainbow better now. Feels very, very good to be in nature and see beauty. Once again, natural beauty. So here I am at the bottom of the waterfall. So now we have arrived on top of the mountain, the highest point in Thailand. I will try to get the information about how high we are or how tall this mountain is. And it took about 35 minutes from the waterfall by car to here. It could take less time, but there was a lot of traffic, a lot of people coming up to enjoy because it is the New Year holidays. It's January 2nd right now. Okay, so you can see how high we are above sea level. So here is the King's Shrine. People delivering their offerings for the new year for good luck. As you can see. So in this area called Cloud Forest, there are over 200 different tree species here. Money. Let's see how many meters above sea level. Sun is shining. If you are sensitive to the cold, it is a little bit breezy, but for me it is not so cold.
Somebody imagine the big rose, no rose, the same kind of this. อันนี้ค่ะ the flower. แล้วก็ have the bird come. อุ้ยขอบคุณมากนะคะพี่
So it's a little bit warmer now. It's 8 degrees Celsius. It's like lunchtime, a little bit after 12 o'clock. here on this Monday, January 2nd. Okay, our next stop here in this national park, some pagodas and beautiful flowers. On this side, another pagoda, so we'll go closer and listen to some information from our guide. So this is for the queen, and this one is for the king. So this is the king's pagoda, so we'll get a closer look here in just a moment. So you can either take the escalator to get up to the top, or you can just use the normal stairs, the walkway, and be in the sun. So now you have a closer look, better look, with the sun shining. The King's Pagoda here. And as I turn around, get a better look at the Queen's Pagoda over there. So as we walk around the area of the King's Pagoda, we have this lovely, unique mural. And also on this wall, a lot of greenery, lush greenery as we walk around. So you get a nice view of the area. It's beauty. So I'm gonna take a look inside of the King's Pagoda, see the giant Buddha. Alright, so I'm now looking at some beautiful flowers. Over here on the side of the King's Pagoda. So here's an excellent view of the flowers and the Queen's Pagoda. So picturesque. So you see the lovely mountains with the little bit of mist and the clouds and the blue sky. Okay, it's time to head over to the Queen's side. So this is what the current king looks like, and what the current queen look like here on January 2nd, 2023. So we made it to the Queen's side. Closer look. You can see the differences in the murals. The viewpoints. And obviously the color. So as we head down into a lovely looking garden here on the Queen's side of the pagoda. So very colorful and scenic. Nice little jet of water shooting up and a little bridge. As I turn around and show you the pagoda and get both in the frame. So back around the Queen's Pagoda, I'm going to venture inside. I definitely like the colors more than the King's side, as well as all the flowers on this side as well. So let's venture on inside for just a moment. Okay, as we make our way back down and going to head to our lunch spot. So a short stop before lunch, can look around and some shopping. A lot of different items here. Got a lot of different like nuts and fruits, and you have like different drinks, wines. So trying some shiitake mushroom crackers, and they are delicious. First time trying that. So here is the produce section. A lot of fresh crops. Smells very nice. Okay, it's time for us to stop and have lunch. So here's our different food. Finished lunch, and now time to get back into the van and continue the nature. Okay, our next stop, a small village. Going to try some local coffee. You can see here.
That one storeroom.
Oh, storeroom.
Take the rice.
Oh, they
uniform, her house. Here very comfortable. Yes.
So you see some people's houses. Okay, so we will hear from the manager.
Sitting here, Madam, this way please. Different costume, different language, different culture. We Sakare, yeah. We live here over 150 years. Yeah. In the past, here we grow opium. Yeah, you know opium? Yeah. Would you like to buy some? No?
Opium.
Yeah, opium 50% discount today for New Year. Contact me behind the shop. Just kidding. Now no more. Now the government banned China to grow some fruit from vegetables like a tea, coffee, strawberry, avocado, passion fruit. Our village here, good area for grow Arabica coffee. So somebody call here like at the coffee village, and here like at the small coffee knowledge center. If you want to know how to process the coffee, how to roast the coffee, can come here. Everything free. We happy to share our experience about the coffee to everyone. That in the old day we grow coffee, we don't know how to process, how to roast. We just sell the cherry like this. Some year, the people in the city, the middleman, come to buy. We have income. If they don't come, no income. Because you know the black one, there's a coffee, Arabica coffee, medium roast from our village. The red one, there's a tea from the coffee shell, coffee skin. We call cascara. Good for joy, good for memory. The third one, the orange, the blue one, that's a tea from the butterfly pea flower or blue pea flower. Drink good for eyesight. Last one, the yellow one, that's a tea from mixed flower tea, rose, jasmine, chrysanthemum, stevia, pandan leaf, mixed together. Sleep well, relaxing, low blood pressure. Yeah. So today, thank you for coming here and enjoy your drink. ขอบคุณครับ Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ
So these are the different candles made of like the soybeans. You can see all the different scents. So now we're going to try some of these drinks. This is one of the things they use for the coffee. And for me, my favorite drink out of the four was the like yellowish one. That one over there. But they were all good. So it is called Patinon Coffee Roasting Plant. Okay, now we're going to walk a little bit
Now I
through the village.
Thai and
Which one?
yeah, big one.
Coffee planner.
Yes.
Oh.
คุณพี่จะเดินย่อยหรือว่าเดี๋ยวเราไปเดินทุ่งนาโอเค
เอาตามไกด์เลยครับ
ทางการทางโกพูดบัตตอบ
95
now is a local one most important for
So it
motor
still works.
95
95 บาท
โอเคว่ะ95
ว่าโอเคเลย
Local houses.
now in the village
There Mary Jonah plant. No Mary Jonah plant.
Local kid. So old school gasoline pumps, but then they have the security camera, the new technology. So a mixture in the
Okay,ว่ะ
village.
The house very good.
Here you have another village. This local person carrying sleeping dogs in the sun with lovely nature, beautiful flowers.
important how you come here you know eating no table
Okay, well.
yes I don't eat them one better not Siam right
There's no table lah.
yeah some people cannot see the market first in Thai market and eating first some people eating first and after that see in Thai market for you available everything a little bit
Okay, we're at our final stop of this.
waterfall she visit here 2545 now 2565 20 years ago before you imagine 20 years ago before impossible right now everything not available yeah the name Sirithan Sirikit Than is many water and after that make at the have the waterfall like coming here 2545 and now 2565 and long time ago not available and no name okay now everybody follow me up and down me
Okay, do a little walking down the stairs in nature. If you listen closely, you can hear the water.
local flower everywhere now no mushroom
So here we are at the waterfall. Doesn't take long to get down to this point, less than 5 minutes. Here is the waterfall. Okay, time to head back to the van and make our way back to Chiang Mai city in the center. Okay, made it safely back to my hotel in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So I hope you enjoyed the beautiful sights that I saw today that I could show and share with you virtually outside of Chiang Mai and the beautiful national park and surrounding villages. So thank you so much. It was an awesome day. And if you liked it, please give a like. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And until next time, thank you for traveling with Sam. Bye.